Usually, you know, people ask us, what do you think about when you're running? And you actually don't have time to think. Before the start, you think about, you repeat in your mind the thing you're supposed to do, technically. But then when the gun's off, you don't have any time to think. I mean, it sounds long, but in that moment it's just instinct. So I knew I can win, and I pushed there, and I was just in front. So crossing the line, I knew that I won. Even if the second and the third girl were not far away, I knew. I found out after 4 years the woman that actually threw me the flag, the Bulgarian flag. And you know, these moments are so emotional. They're really amazing when you touch the flag of your country, when you just jog down and all the stadium is on their feet applauding you. It's amazing. It's really a great feeling. So me knowing that I have little more to show, and I can go faster and I can do better, this is motivating me. I think at the moment that you know that, okay, I did all, I can't show anything else, this is when the motivation is going down and maybe you have to think about rest or retire. But I know that I can still show big things. I know I can do it because I've worked really hard for it, so this is my motivation.